What do you have on Christmas Eve?
Kucha. We call this kucha. The dishes with
Kucha.
Kucha. Sorry.
Kucha.
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 Kucha. No, we're not going to work.
Kucha. Kucha.
But I love this.
Kucha.
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 Welcome back to Vince's at Home, and this week we are continuing our trend of Vince's in the kitchen with family and friends. And the focus is on traditions around Christmas.
Today, we have our Vince's own mother, Olimpiya.
And Alessia, and they're from our prepared foods department in our Sharon location, and they're responsible for preparing a lot of our prepared meals that we do at the store. And Olympia's been with us now for 23 years. Tell me about what you've brought today for your Ukrainian traditions.
In the Christmas Eve, we have to have 12 dishes.
12 dishes.
Every dish presents
Something
yeah,
different.
that's a tradition.
And they're all different.
So nice.
Some are sweet, some are savory.
Yes. Before we go and have our meal on Christmas Eve, usually we were going in the cemetery. So we put the candles, we pray, invite them to our table. Then we come home. First thing, everyone have to have a spoon of our traditional meal kucha. What we put is a honey, it's a poppy seed, you know, Ukrainians like poppy seed.
Yep.
Everything is poppy seed for us. So it's a kind of sweet.
Can we try it?
Yeah.
It's not as sweet as I was expecting.
This has to be healthy for you, no? Oh my gosh, it's so delicious.
Right?
So far, I'm happy at your house on Christmas Eve.
Thank you.
What's next?
Then we eat like some cold stuff. This is salad, potato, beets, carrots, onions,
White
and
kidney beans.
white kidney beans.
And pickles.
Yeah, we boil everything.
Yes? What seasoning do you have on here?
I just have Italian seasoning here. Salt, pepper, and olive oil.
We mangia now? I like this. All right, 2 dishes down.
This is like a special Christmas dish too,
Okay.
because it's no meat. And we usually make from potato and barley, no rice.
How are we going to heat it up?
That's pretty good.
You gonna have microwave?
Right here. Oh, I got to put the gravy? Hold on, what's in
Mushroom.
here? No, it's not just mushroom. You got green onion? I see dills too. Oh, this is good. I've never had a cabbage roll like this before.
Ooh, yeah, I don't ever want to eat a normal cabbage roll again.
These are the best cabbage rolls I've ever had.
And then everybody's waiting for pierogies. That flavor, lots
Yes.
of fried onions, you know, a mushroom and the special gravy what we make too.
So you're making dough now? Sip the flour.
Sift flour. Usually in Ukraine we make pierogies, not just potato and mushroom, we make sauerkraut.
Hold on, how did you know how much eggs and water and flour to put? You just did it. So you already made the filling?
We boil potato,
Parsley?
parsley,
Dill?
a little bit of dill, yeah,
Salt,
and
pepper?
a fried onion.
Okay, so you start cooking and we'll keep making. You made the pierogies. They're so beautiful.
Can I have my sauce like right on top?
It's so good and so simple, right?
I love the fried onions.
So good.
Why don't we just open a restaurant?
Imagine
Hey,
going to a restaurant called Olimpiya's. I'll be at the bar every day.
working it or drinking at it?
Tell us about your dessert.
So this is cheesecake. Oh!
Whoa!
I was not
I
expecting
wasn't
that.
expecting that either.
I literally cannot eat dinner tonight. Am I seeing poppy seeds again?
Did you want to try this?
Yeah,
That's a cheese too.
the best Timbit ever.
Yeah.
We love you guys. Thank you for coming and
Thank
sharing
you.
with us your Christmas
So
traditions.
good. We'll see you on Christmas Eve. We're coming over.
Be there, 5 o'clock.
Yes.